Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to do something slightly different, and that is I'm not going to do something natural for my beauty. I'm going to do something, and I'm going to go to a beauty salon and I'm going to get this area fixed, and that is the under eye area. I have no makeup on my under eye area, so unfortunately, when we get older, the skin under our eyes get thinner and our eyes are puffy, and no amount of expensive creams are going to deal with it. So I decided to do this. I'm going to get a needle put right here in the tear trowel. So it's going to be filler and to fill up this area, and I'm going to take you with me. I am nervous about it. Who wants to get a needle near your eye? But I'm going to go for it. So this is me with makeup on, and I've got the cover up here to cover up the puffiness. It looks better, but would be nice not to have to always wear all this makeup, you know, to camouflage the puffiness under my eyes. What you should do is you should do research online first before you do this, beauties. That's what I did, and this is a common technique, and I'm going to a very experienced doctor to do this treatment. Have you been finding, ladies, that the hollows under your eyes are getting worse as we age? Well, maybe this treatment's going to help us. This is scary, but beauty hurts. The pursuit of beauty, what we go through, ladies. All right, here we are. I personally feel like I have a lot of puffiness under my eyes.
Okay.
But you don't think so?
I don't think so. I think we just need to fill in that small little hollow area right underneath the eyes, which is like your tear trough right there.
Yeah.
And sometimes just do a little bit of seamless filling, like what we call the periorbital area. Because you don't want to fill this part and then you're going to get a huge, I guess, indentation in this part, you know, when you kind of fill certain areas.
Right.
So a smooth, like, filling just kind of across would be nice, because there is a little bit under, just laterally, not just right under the eyes there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you fill in over here? Because I feel like there's a lot of darkness here.
So
right
usually
here.
right under up to here we'll fill in, because you don't ever want to go over the bony aspect there.
Okay.
And dive into. And so you've got your ligaments here, and you've got a fat pad underneath here, so you want to slide the filler underneath here, and this will avoid any of that swelling over here. So
Okay.
just wanted you, I'm going to use a cannula, so usually just one incision point right about here, thread it here so it's a non-pointy edge, and then just kind of seamlessly fill underneath here, and you can turn the cannula and fill underneath here as well. So I guess my concern is if we fill here, then this is kind of left here, so
Yeah.
it has to make sure that we fill everything nicely.
Okay, so
Yeah.
it's not a whole bunch of needles?
No, I'm just going to use one.
Oh,
One needle, and then we use a cannula, a blunt tip cannula, which is this long thing here, and then it just kind of threads.
oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Is it just going to be one syringe?
We're going to try and do one syringe. I'm going to split it on each side, and then we'll see how you do, and then we'll go from there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
I'm just putting.
What are you going to be using for filler? What type of filler are you using?
We're going to be using the softest filler that we have under your eyes.
Okay.
Because you don't want anything firm, because it's going to feel very bulky and tight in the area. So
Okay.
you want this just kind of go seamlessly right underneath your eyes and give you like normal day-to-day, you know, facial movements with that.
Okay, good. And it lasts?
Lasts about 6 to 12 months.
Okay.
And some people a little less, some people a little bit more, depending on how you metabolize the filler.
That sounds good. And so bruising?
Yes, I tell everybody to accept bruising about 2 to 3 weeks, because it's under the eyes. So some people will get some bruising,
Okay.
Other people won't, but I do tell people to expect bruising underneath the
What a
eye.
difference. Like it's immediate.
It's really,
It's immediate.
it's bright. We call it bright eye.
Bright
Your
eye?
eye bright, yeah.
So my beauties, it's been a few hours since the procedure for it. I wanted to look at my results. I don't have any under eye cover up. And look at my results. I am in the most unforgiving light that I have in my house, and it's the bathroom. Yes, I have some bruising and a little bit of swelling, but apparently that's going to go away in a couple of hours. We spend hundreds of dollars on eye creams And we hope to get results like this, but we don't get results
Okay,
like
my
this.
beauties, now it's been 3 days since I got the fillers done, and you can already see quite a bit of the swelling has gone down. Now they say wait for 2 weeks for all of the swelling to go down, so I will check in with you then. Now I just want to say, I hope that people don't judge other people for doing what they want to do. It's completely up to you what you want to do, and that's why I'm here, is just to give you my experience and to support you if this is what you do decide to do.
Also, just to give you a little bit more insight into what happens, is the needle and the cannula actually goes in here. So it's kind of odd. I kind of expected the bruising to be right under here, but it's actually here in the injection site. And in this particular part of my face, it bled, and so therefore I got a bruise. They say not to drink alcohol or take blood thinners or vitamins, and hopefully that will limit the amount of bruising that you do get. So I'm going to go into depth with the cost. So it varies from clinic to clinic, and in my case it costs $600 for a syringe. That's what we decide to do, is to be minimal as opposed to too much. 2 syringes would have been too much. We only did the 1 syringe. So I would really hope that you don't get a Groupon when it comes to something like this. It's not something that you really want to get a deal on. It's best that you pay the money for a really good doctor. So I'm now in day 8. A lot less swelling, as you can see. Bruising is starting to go away. Yay, day 8. If you were seeing this video, it's because I had the guts to do this, and I had the guts to upload. I keep going back and forth with it because, well, I don't want people to be upset with me, because I think that they may be. And I really don't want to invite some negative talk over my channel. But you know what? This is what my channel's about. I'm trying to be transparent. I'm trying to be real, ladies, and I hope that that's why you come to my channel. I don't know if you noticed, but I got my hair cut, and yep, it is definitely very bobby. So I do like it. It's just, it's tough because I've always had really long hair and I've always loved that look. But I think that this is a little bit more stylish, and yeah, I think that's what my channel's about. I'm always trying to experiment, and I'm trying to just be different, not be what you expect me to be at my age. And I just want to show to you ladies that you can be young and you still can be sexy, and that's why I'm here. I'm trying to encourage ladies to break out of the mold and try dragon boating, try paddling. I do stand-up paddling, I do boxing, I just got an e-bike. I just want to enjoy my life, and I'm trying to encourage you guys to also try different things and to enjoy your life. So if you guys are curious, as you know, I have moved to Vancouver, and you might be wondering how things are going. Things are going great. It is the pandemic, so it's not as easy to make friends, but that's okay. I came here because I love this city, and my dog is really loving the city, and we have some new doggy friends, and yeah, people kind of do stay to themselves, but that is okay. I did this, and I knew what I was getting into, and I love the city, the mountains, the ocean, the fresh air.
So my beauties, it's been 14 days since I've gotten the procedure done.
And yep, you definitely can see a difference under my eyes. And I want to thank you for watching the whole video. I hope that I was informative, and I hope that you'll be kind to me, because it did take me a lot of courage to upload this, and I'm just trying to give you some insights into what to expect when you get filler under your eyes. I thank you so much for watching Wendy's World, and I'll see you next time on my next tutorial. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye. I know this procedure's not for everyone, but I did want to show it to you because I did notice there was a lot of interest in one of my older videos, how to get rid of under eye bags in 5 seconds. So I thought that I would treat you to this so you would get another idea of how to treat that area. Thanks for showing up. See you soon.